Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mr. Kickster from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the first eye with a circle. And then let's add another one inside. And then color this one in black. Next, let's hop down and let's draw the nose with a heart shape. And color it in black as well. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw the other eyes with another set of circles. And then another circle inside each of these. And then color them both in black. And that's it for the eyes and nose. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve across. And then from the ends, let's curve it out and down. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw another curve. Now underneath both sides, let's draw a long V shape down for the teeth. Now let's hop back to the ends and let's curve it out and back in. And then connect them with a curve across in between the teeth. Now let's hop back out to the outside line and let's continue it by curving it in. And again, a curve in the middle. And lastly, let's color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a curve across. Then from both sides, let's angle it down and out. Now at the ends, let's add the horns. Let's start with 2 curves up on both sides. Then from the ends, let's bring it up and back in. And the same thing from the bottom line. Now let's do the same on the right. Now add one more longer curve in the center to finish off each horn. And that's it for the horns. Now let's hop back down next to the eyes and let's draw a curve down and bring it in on both sides. And then connect it with a curve across the bottom. And that's it for the head for now. Now let's move down and let's draw the arms. Let's start on the bottom left of the head and let's draw 2 long curves down. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's close it off at the bottom with a curve. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. Let's start from the inside and let's draw a curve in and out for the thumb. And then underneath, let's bring it down. Now let's hop to the outside line and let's draw another curve down. and then close off the bottom of each hand. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move into the center and let's draw the legs. Let's start in the center and let's draw 2 long lines down. Now let's hop into the middle at the top here and let's draw a curve. And then bring it down from both sides. Now at the bottom of each leg, let's add the feet. Let's start with a small curve from the inside lines. And then from the outside line, let's bring it out and down. And then close off each foot at the bottom. Lastly, inside each foot, let's add 2 curves for the toes. And that's it for the body. Now let's hop back up and let's add the ears. From the bottom of the horns that we drew earlier, let's draw a curve out and curve it back into the arm. And the same thing on the right side. Then let's continue it on the other side of the arm by curving it back up. And that's it for Mr. Kickster. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!